Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Elle. I truly do hope everyone is doing well today. I hope you're feeling blessed and loved and encouraged. Oh wow, today is a new day and I have so much to share with you guys. I recently did another bedroom makeover. This time I just did what I felt inside and what works for me. And you know what? This is finally something that I am happy with. So I'll be showing you that in a second. And I also wanted to talk about some trends and not to follow trends, and also do a little bit of a haul with you from Ross and Homegoods, just a mini one. And I also went vessel hunting, like trying to find those vintage antique pieces. And I actually found two of them that I'm going to share with you as well and show you the store. So there's a lot to see. So I was trying to, see how I can keep this video interesting and keep you guys in tune, because I like to chatter, but I'm not a big talker. I'm not very informative because my brain just doesn't work that way. I'm more of a whatever comes to my mind, I kind of say, so I get distracted. So let me just do the haul, and then talk to you about the trends to keep you guys in tune with me. Okay, so I got this vessel here from Ross. Look at it. Look at how it has that great pottery vintage look to it. Yes, indeed. And this was $11.99 from Ross. Can you see it? Yes, you can indeed. I just love these pieces. So I think these pieces are a little bit trendy. However, because everybody's into this like natural kind of, minimal look and not a lot of color in their home. So for me, I just say, you know what, do what you want. When you're buying a home, it is such an emotional thing to buy a home, like your money, and you're so invested in it, your time and the closing and getting your keys. That is a lot. You went to a closing and you're sitting there and you're signing all those papers and you're signing away, and it feels like your hand is going to break off, and then your heart is beating because you don't want anyone to, rush it and say, wait, there's one more thing. And then, you're just so afraid because the process can be very long unless you're just buying straight out cash, right? So anyway, it is a long and tedious process, and then you get your keys. So I will never tell someone what to really put in their home, and what, to take out of their home. I will always tell you to be encouraged about your home and decor. And a lot of you know me that I do shop a lot, right? I love to go to different stores and show you guys things that I've purchased, or just show you the store tour in general. And I do that. And of course I do home tours as well, right? Because I do that because there's always a method to my craziness, or my madness, I should say. I always try to show people different types of decor and how to style pieces and different types of aesthetics. And you don't have to follow these trends out here, like the cloud couch. I love the cloud couch. Seeing it in Restoration Hardware, it's absolutely fabulous. I like it, but not after you sit on it. It's a messy couch. It look like Rumpelstiltskin couch. I wouldn't necessarily set my mind to get a cloud couch or anything too close to it, because I don't want my, have to iron out my couch before my mother-in-law gets to my house, or even my mom gets to the house. I'm sitting there ironing the couch so it can look nice and smooth. So, okay, so that's how I feel about the cloud couch. Comment down below and tell me what you think about it. I had a client that had this really big brown leather couch, and she didn't know what to do and she couldn't get rid of it. They spent a lot of money on this sofa, and she came in, I met her, she came in looking for a pillow to do something different with the couch. And I was like, a pillow is not going to do it. You need something bigger. You need a plush rug. And then you get the pillows, the bigger pillows, and then you get a throw. And she thought she was just one-dimensional with the farmhouse, but you can glam up a brown couch as well. It's been done. Don't feel that you have to go out and get rid of your leather this or your big husky couch. Work with what you have until your budget is better, especially if you just bought it. And if you can get it, if you can sell it, if you just absolutely have to get rid of it, try to sell it on Facebook Marketplace there, or try to move it to another location in your house. Like I have a white leather couch that for an older house that I had, a different house, and it fit perfectly in the older house. But when I got to the new house, it was just too small. The living room area was entirely too big, so I moved it into the office, which you have seen on a number of occasions. So I have a white leather sectional. It fit perfectly, and it's real leather. Sophia Vergara, I think her name is. It's by her, and it's beautiful, and I will never get rid of it because it's so universal. You can do so many different colors with that. So again, don't get rid of your big pieces unless you can. But if you're wondering what to do, just go and find a lot of, like, if you have a big husky couch, find those bigger pillows and layer it to kind of hide what you don't like about the couch. Get yourself a basket so to put all the pillows on the side when you want to just lay on your couch, or move it to another location. Those are quick fixes that you can do. Okay, so what else is there? Color. A lot of people, they don't like color in their home. Listen, if you want to color your house a box of Crayola 24 crayons, go right ahead. You know, everything can be done in a home. You just have to be creative, and you have to know placement. Placement is everything in a home, balancing everything out. Don't have too much of something cluttered together, but space it out and make it your own. You know, like the Decor magazines and AD magazines and different home decor magazines. You don't see it all black and white. The magazines will not sell if it was all black and white, right? It would be, just like, I've seen this all before. It's not a newspaper. So there's a lot of people, designers in these magazines, and real people, real life, that show their homes in these magazines and on TV, but you never see it in all one color. You see different colors all throughout. So don't follow the trend of you have to have it all beige with no pops of color. You have to have it all black and white. No, you do what you want to do in your home. Okay, so then farmhouse. Now, a lot of people, they have farmhouse. They went farmhouse crazy. They have a bunch of signs in their home, and that's okay. If you have that, no problem. The only thing with buying those signs, if you ever want to change up your decor, you're going to have a lot of excess of those pieces in your home. You know, like, you're going to have a lot of farmhouse pieces. Old McDonald had a farm, and then he had a one sign here and one sign there and two signs there and three signs everywhere, sign. You don't want that, but you don't want to have excess of it. So trying to get rid of it is going to be hard, because a lot of people are going to be trying to get rid of those signs too. So you're going to have to wait years to get rid of those things unless you just donate it, right? Because it's just excess. So you don't have to get rid of your farmhouse style because it's not in trend anymore. Keep your farmhouse, take away a little bit, incorporate modern pieces with your farmhouse, and do you. Okay, guys, so I'm going to give you a quick tour of my bedroom makeover. Yeah, I did a lot. I took off my footboard for this bed. I went and I purchased some round mirrors and took the long mirrors down. This white couch there that I have with those pillows. It was a great addition. Instead of you jumping on the bed, you jump on that couch, and my kids sit there as well, even though they get it dirty sometimes, but it works. I popped in a little bit of color with that throw that I got from Target by Catalina or Cala something. Anyway, you guys know what I mean, right? And then remember the seersucker bedspread that I got from Ross? There it is on the bed, and it's layered. I didn't do a lot of throw pillows. I got that picture from Ross as well. That little bench came from Homegoods. I am just loving this space. There goes the luggage that was from my Homegoods haul. I won't be able to source the Homegoods pieces. That plant I got from, I can't remember. I think I got it online. And then that shelving there, I got from Ross. Those pieces I got from pretty much our house and Homegoods. Yep. So this is an overall view really quickly. And you see, not everything is perfect in my home. I was doing putting in one of these little pulleys, and it broke. So this is what my bedroom is looking like at the moment. Actually, I'm leaving it like this. I am tired of redoing this bedroom, but my bed was too heavy and I wasn't getting a true feel because of that footboard. But now that it's gone, I'm really enjoying my bedroom. I feel like I'm on vacation. At night, it looks really pretty when I turn on like these lights. So that's it, guys. Back to the haul. Let me jump into another piece because I know I was long-winded there. Look at this bowl. Guys, look at this bowl that I got from Homegoods. Yes, indeed. It was $39.99, and this is going right in this room on a shelf. You will see it. $39.99 from Homegoods. Look at the wood grain. I am loving this. I love me some bowls, and you're going to see. You're going to be like, how many bowls do you have? You're going to see what I'm doing with my bowls, okay? So, yes, indeed. Oh, my gosh. Can you believe I've been talking for like 11 minutes? So, anyway, yeah, this is it. Yes, indeed. Wood grain. I love the texture. It has texture and dimensional, lots of dimensions. It makes a statement, a chunky piece. Here is this bowl. Isn't it cool? Yes, indeed. Little bowl basket, and it does have this little thing where you can hang it on the wall for sure. So it's great decor. I don't know if I'm going to keep these. The orange was a little bit like, I like this burnt orange in here, but this other orange was a little bit too bright for me for what I'm trying to do, but who knows, I might just do it anyway. It was originally $24.99 and I got it for $18. And then here is another one. I really like this one, and this one was for $18 as well. So are these trendy? Yes, they are a little bit trendy, but these are pieces that you can have in your home, and you can really make them work by moving them around in your home. And then I got this from Ross. So, you know, Ross is like, if you see it, you better get it, because if you don't get it, you may not see it no matter how many Rosses you go to. So I've been looking for the same type of shelves. I actually like these better. Unfortunately, though, the ledge is not that wide, so it doesn't hold what I wanted to hold. If I wanted this bowl to go on top of it, it'll be a little bit hard to keep it on the wall. But when the shelf is up on the wall, it'll be a little hard to keep it on the wall. But I do like this better because it has this like rustic, it has this little rustic look here. So I do appreciate this a little bit more than I do the other ones that I have up. But for some reason, it's giving me the hardest time. You see that screw stuck in there? It was giving us the hardest time to get it in the wall. So yeah, I don't know. I might keep it, or I might just get that off and then take it back. But this was $19.99 at Ross, and they have a smaller one for $16.99. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to take you on my vessel hunt that I'm looking for these vintage antique vessels, and I really didn't really want to go in here because it looked kind of creepy at first, but you know what? A girl's got to do what a girl's got to do, boo. So, okay, I'm seeing some greenery, and this is like right after the deep freeze in Texas. So I'm sure a lot of their plants are dying or didn't do well. Well, I hope they did, but nevertheless, yep. So I'm going to run through here really quickly and then show you a treasure chest of vessels that I found. here goes the treasure chest of vessels that was in the back hidden. I was like, oh my goodness, look at all of these things. So I ended up getting 2, and I'll show you in a second. So these are the 2 vessels that I was able to pick up. They need a really good scrubbing, and they were $7 each. I think I got a really good deal, so I'm really excited about them. Okay guys, so it's been an absolute pleasure hanging with you. I hope you got some good tips from me. Comment down below and tell me what you think. I hope you have a blessed day today. I hope life is treating you well. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.